Hi, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable parental controls on YouTube to help ensure a safer viewing experience for children. Let's get started. This tutorial is for Android, but it will also work on iOS devices. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app, you can download it from your device's app store. If you have a Google account, sign into YouTube. Signing in allows you to personalize and save your parental control settings across devices. Tap on your profile picture or avatar at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, find and tap on General. In General, scroll down until you see Restricted Mode. Enabling Restricted Mode helps filter out potentially mature content from search results and recommendations. In Restricted Mode, toggle the switch to enable it. In some cases, you'll be prompted to enter your device's passcode or account password for confirmation. That's it. You've successfully enabled parental controls on YouTube. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more parenting and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.